there's a thought that's been crossing my mind quite a bit lately. I've been wanting to voice my opinion in regards to discrimination. And there's a variation of discrimination that everyone's familiar with, which is referred to as racism. I do not like it at all. And what I've come to realize is I feel as though that a lot of people who find anger or frustration or hatred or disdain for people from different cultural backgrounds, different skin color, things of that nature, or with different religious views, they lack understanding and compassion. Sometimes it's one or the other or both. But, I just wish that people would look at people on an individual level, secular, right? Like, instead of just categorizing people and stereotyping people as a whole, to really focus on the importance of that individual person, how they behave, who they are as a person, how they interact with others, their actions, their words. I mean, those are things that are very important to pay attention to, because you can come into contact and meet people from all different walks of life, no matter their nationality, their religion, their sexual orientation, or their gender. And they could ultimately be either a great person or they can be a bad person. But whatever they are on a genetic level or their historical background, that does not define who they are as a person. It's what defines them is those actions of theirs and their words. That is what helps you define an individual on an individual level. But even then, it's really hard to judge people, because oftentimes when we encounter someone and we are uncomfortable with the exchange or how they behave, it may be as a result of something that they're experiencing on a personal level. It has nothing to do with us. And so I just want to express that. Like, this is my perspective. These are my views. And I feel as though the only way to really make a difference in the world is to kind of just express that to people. I want people to understand. You have to look at things with more of an open mind. It's so difficult when you get caught up in, the Western culture. I mean, it's not just the Western culture. I mean, lots of cultures, they get in this frame of mind where you want to categorize people and collectively, define them as a whole, and then that's not how the world should work. I mean, it just doesn't work that way. Anyways, I got more to come. I just wanted to express my opinions and see what y'all thought. Please comment, share, like, if you choose. Appreciate you watching.